isi-celebrate natin ang ating second monthsary! Monthsary sa content creation. So 2 months na tayo. We started last August 30 at October 30 na ngayon. At nagpapasalamat ako with that 2 months, marami tayong na-unlock. Ang isa doon ay ang consistency at discipline. Also humility kasi kailangan natin ng tulong. We have to humble than ourselves na hindi natin kaya alone. At maraming salamat for those people who are watching my daily vlogs and also for those who are supporting me through reacting and also sharing. So hindi ko kayo nakakalimutan lahat and I know all of you guys and girls. Kaya thank you so much! Napakasimple lang nito dahil hindi pa tayo maka-afford ng medyo social na cake at saka nag-iwas din naman tayo sa sugar. Kaya ito lang yung binili natin. And hopefully, magkaroon tayo ng manifesting financial freedom na maka-afford tayo ng somehow medyo malaking cake para ma-celebrate natin yung with friends. Ito, sasabihan ko na. Wish mo na ako, magpipray mo na ako with this one and then I'm going to blow. Yehey!